Let's meet Mr. Thomas, who lives in Stafford. Recently, he purchased a brand new car. And to protect the car from being stolen, he was planning for a new garage door installation. But can't figure out which one is the best garage door installation service provider company near him. While searching online, he came to know about Adams Garage Doors LLC, the most reputed garage door service company, well known for all kinds of garage door installation. They have years of experience in garage door repair, installation and maintenance works for both residential and commercial garages. And the most surprising fact is that they are famous for offering 24/7 services at any time, in any emergencies. They are committed to provide customer satisfaction garage door solutions at affordable prices. So, without wasting his time, he immediately dialed 703-623-6766 and asked for their expert service. He is now very satisfied with getting their quick and flawless garage door installation works. Are you looking for the same? Visit their official website https://adamsgaragedoors.com/ for more further details.